you desire financial freedom? If I show you an opportunity with a minimum capital investment of $200 to make $1,500 weekly and $75,000 yearly, will you do it? If your answer is yes, then join Norland. Welcome to Norland Compensation Plan. Why Norland? One-time, lifetime international partnership. An opportunity to own shares with a multinational. Fast-moving daily consumables. Curative and preventive health line. No compulsory monthly target. Authorship. Weekly and monthly earnings. Accumulation of points for cars and houses. Weekly, monthly earnings, trips, rankings. No same status distributorship, aka SSD. All expense paid trips. Entry levels. Senior membership from $200 and above. Point value 128 PV. Bronze membership $400 and above. Point value 256 PV. Silver membership $800 and above. Point value 560 PV. Gold membership $1,600 and above. Point value 1,128 PV. Diamond membership $3,300 and above. Point value 2,240 PV. 9 powerful ways to earn from Norland. Retail profit bonus, fast start bonus, free product voucher, group performance bonus, leadership bonus, maintenance bonus, repurchase bonus, honorary bonus, and benefit bonus.
On retail profit bonus, you earn 20% of your personal repurchase. And to add that, if you want to resell the products, you earn another 20% on your resales.
Norland runs a binary system, meaning if you purchase the senior membership package and introduce 2 senior members as well, you will earn 50% cash bonus and 25% product voucher bonus. That totals $140 cash and $200 free product voucher. You will earn this 50% cash bonus for 2 generations, while your 25% product voucher bonus will continue till infinity as you keep introducing members to this unique platform. Same applies to the bronze membership package, where you introduce 2 bronze members and earn 50% cash bonus and 25% product voucher bonus. That totals $280 cash and $400 free product voucher. This continues for 2 generations, while your 25% free product voucher bonuses continues till infinity as you keep introducing members to this unique platform. The silver package is also known as the good package. When you purchase this membership package and also introduce 2 members into the platform, you earn 50% cash bonus and 25% free product voucher bonus. That totals $560 cash and $870 product voucher. This continues for 2 generations, while the free product voucher package continues till infinity as you introduce more people to the platform. The gold package is the better package. In this membership level, you earn 50% cash bonus and 25% free product voucher bonus as you introduce 2 people to the company. That totals $1,120 cash and $1,700 free product voucher. This continues for 2 generations. Your free product voucher continues till infinity as you keep introducing people to this beautiful company. The diamond package is considered as the best package. If you purchase as a diamond member and introduce 2 other people to the platform, you earn 50% cash bonus and 25% free product voucher bonus on that level. That totals $2,240,000 cash and $3,500 free product voucher. This continues for 2 extra generations, but the free product voucher continues till infinity as you keep introducing people to this beautiful platform. Onto the group performance bonus. As a senior member, you earn 10% of the group performance bonus weekly, and you can earn as much as $6,000. As a bronze member, you earn 10.5% weekly, and you can earn as much as $12,000. As a silver member, you earn 11% weekly, and you can earn as much as $24,000. As a gold member, you earn 12% weekly, and you can earn as much as $48,000. As a diamond member, you earn 13% weekly, and you can earn as much as $96,000 and above. Norland is turning ordinary people to extraordinary millionaires. Now, the leadership bonus. This is why we called the silver, the gold, and diamond the good, better, and best packages. Because with the silver package, you earn 8% in the first generation. The gold package, which is the better package, you earn 8% in the first generation and 5% in the second generation, totaling 13% in all. With the diamond package, which is the best package, you earn 8% in the first generation, 5% in the second, and 5% in the third generation, totaling a whopping 18% in all. And this keeps growing as you ascend the ranks. Norland maintenance bonus. In the first generation in the maintenance bonus, you earn 8%. The second generation, you earn 7%. You earn 6% in the third generation, 5% in the fourth generation, 4% in the fifth generation, 3% in the sixth generation, 3% again in the seventh generation, 4% in the eighth generation, 5% in the ninth generation, 6% in the 10th, and 7% in the 11th, and 8% at the 12th compressed generation. This is one bonus in Norland that guarantees you financial freedom even on one leg. Benefit bonus and honorary bonus. As you advance in your business with Norland, you are entitled to 2.5% regional shares, which you can use for your international trips or your car. Take note, these are different from the promotional cars, which we also have in Norland. During a Norland promo period of about 12 months, you can merit 3 to 4 international trips in cash value and cars worth $12,000 if you generate 80,000 PVs. Or $16,000 if you generate 110,000 PVs. For being in business with Norland, Norland provides incentives in cash, cars, all expense paid international trips, houses, scholarships, etc.